Just woke up in my underwear. No liquor left on the shelf. I should probably introduce myself. You should have seen what I wore. I had a cane and a party hat. I was the king of this hologram where there's no such thing as getting out.
Game always starts the same. First we're both down a plate and somehow you go astray. We went from nothing to something, like in a loving. It was us against the world, and now we just fucking. It's like I loved you so much and now I just hate you. Feeling stupid for all the time that I gave you. I wanted all or nothing for us. Ain't no place in between. Might be me believing what you say that you never mean. Like it'll last forever, but now forever ain't as long. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be stuck singing this song. You were different from my last, but now you got a mirror. And as it all plays out, I see it couldn't be clearer. Now say
you used to be thirsty for me, but now you wanna be set free. This is the web that you weave. So baby, now rest in peace.
it's all over with now.
I'm gonna love you until you hate me.
Right.
And now I'm gonna show you.
Show 'em what, show 'em what.
What's really crazy? You should've known better than to mess with me hard.
It's all over with now.
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you. Gonna love you like a black widow, baby. Black widow,
I'm gonna
baby.
love you until it hurts. Just to get you, I'm doing whatever works. You never met nobody that'll do you how I do you. That'll bring you to your knees. Praise Jesus, hallelujah. I'll make you beg for it, plead for it, till you feel like you breathe for it, till you do any and everything for it. I want you to feed for it, wake up and dream for it, till it's got you guessing forever and you leave for it, till they have a case, get a chick on your.
I torture you. Take my hand through the flames. I torture you. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankles. No pressure from the man, got us all in rebellion. We gon' go to war. I just wanna be loved.
reverse. My phone has no signal, it's making my skin crawl. The silence is so loud. The lights spark and flicker with monsters much bigger than I can control now. Welcome to the panic room, where all your darkest fears are gonna come for you, come for you. Welcome to the panic room. You'll know I wasn't joking when you see them too, see them too. Welcome to the panic room. Still waiting, hands shaking. Maybe the coast will clear, but these voices, these strange noises, they follow me in here. My phone has no signal, it's making my skin crawl. The silence is so loud. The lights spark and flicker with monsters much bigger than I can control now. Welcome to the panic room, where all your darkest fears are gonna come for you, come for you. Welcome to the panic room. You'll know I wasn't joking.
Shadows fall over my heart. I black out the moon. I wait for you to come around. You got me dancing in the dark. Dancing in the dark. I've closed my eyes, but I won't sleep tonight. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side. Me and you and me, do bad things in the nighttime. Baby, you should come with me, and we can kill the lights, hit the lights, let it black out, hit the lights, let it black out. Oh. Blackbird, black moon, black sky, black light, black everything, black, black heart, black keys, black diamonds, black out, black everything, black, black everything, everything, all black, everything, everything, all black, everything, everything, all black, everything, everything, black. Eternal state of mind, children of the night, but it's the only way of life. It's black holes pulling me inside of this black heart, the black soul underneath this black, black sky. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side. Me and you and me, do bad things in the nighttime. Baby, you should come with me, and we can kill the lights, hit the lights, let it black out, hit the lights, let it black out. Oh. Blackbird, black moon, black sky, black light, black everything, black, the killer lights, hit the lights where they black out, hit the lights where they black out,